PPC Broadband's Miniflex Universal Access Fiber installs quickly and easily using installers' existing skills. It offers the ideal combination of attributes for fiber protection and deployment. It's a fraction of the weight of other products, crush resistant to 1400 Newton or 315 pounds, and is the most flexible cable in its class. When coupled with our low friction ducts and unique quick push system, Miniflex represents the premier pushable fiber solution for fast, efficient fiber-to-the-premise installations. A single engineer is able to hand-push the Miniflex cable through duct to the premise. With our pioneering live hinge grooves, it is flexible enough to flow around sharp bends, yet sturdy enough to do so without bunching or kinking. And with quick push pre-terminated connectors, you don't need a fiber specialist engineer to get a customer up and running. Using PPC's pushable fiber can reduce installation costs by as much as 50%. PPC Broadband also excels when connecting multiple dwelling units by cost-effectively bringing fiber into the building and ultimately into each apartment. Our solutions help balance deployment costs against future growth needs. These solutions use robust Miniflex fiber cable, sturdy enough to be pushed through crowded risers or tacked to the wall, inside or outside, without the need for duct. And again, with pre-terminated options, installation can be done quickly and easily. Miniflex is the most efficient solution for fiber-to-the-premise deployments, reducing installation time and costs while increasing fiber protection. So whether your project is fiber to the home, to the MDU, or to something else like an aerial or a factory, PPC Broadband and its Miniflex range have a solution that can speed up deployment and reduce your operational costs.